In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move documents and files into Google Drive folders. Let's start inside Google Drive. Open your browser, go to your drive, and make sure you're on the My Drive page. If you see the My Drive button or label at the top, click it so you're viewing all your files and folders. This is your home base, and it's where we'll organize everything. The quickest way to move a document is by dragging and dropping. Find the file you want to move, click and hold it, and drag it directly onto the folder where you want it to live. When the folder highlights, release your mouse. If Drive shows a move prompt, click Move to confirm. To double check, open the folder by double-clicking it, and you'll see the file inside. This is a great habit to make sure everything ended up in the right place. If your file isn't in Drive yet and it's on your computer, you can upload it and organize it right away. Back in My Drive, click the New button in the top left. From the menu, choose File Upload. Your computer's file picker will open. Browse to the file or folder you want, then double-click it to start the upload. You'll see a small status window in the corner as Drive uploads. Once it finishes, the item appears in My Drive and you can move it into any folder the same way. Drag and drop, or use the Move option. You can also move items from one folder to another using the File menu. First, locate the file you want to move. Hover over it and click the three dots, sometimes called More Actions, on the right side of the file. Look for Organize, then choose Move. A panel opens showing your options. You'll see sections like Suggested, Starred, and All locations to help you find the destination quickly. Navigate to your preferred location, select the target folder, and click Move. If Drive asks you to confirm, click Move again. This ensures the item leaves its old location and lands exactly where you want it. After moving, it's always a good idea to open the destination folder and confirm the file is there. If you change your mind, just repeat the move and choose a different folder. That's it. You've learned how to move files by dragging and dropping, upload files from your computer and place them in folders, and reorganize files using the three-dot menu with the Move and Organize options. With these approaches, keeping your Google Drive tidy and easy to navigate becomes fast and reliable every time you log in.